ready to transform your website visitors into loyal subscribers. Let's build stunning newsletter sign-up forms for your WordPress site that actually convert. First things first, we need the right tools. We'll head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, and then add new, search for newsletter sign-up forms, and you'll find a variety of powerful options. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on a user-friendly option that integrates beautifully with most email marketing services once you've chosen your plugin. And I recommend checking reviews and compatibility. Go ahead and click Install Now, and then Activate. Now let's design our form. After activation, you'll find a new menu item for your chosen form plugin. Click on Add New Form. You'll typically see template options, or you can start from scratch. We'll begin by adding essential fields. The absolute must-have is an email address field. Make sure it's set to required. Drag and drop the email field onto your form canvas for an even better user experience. And for personal follow-ups, you can add a name field as well. Now let's talk about design elements that encourage people to sign up. Keep it simple. Use clear, concise labels. A compelling headline above your form is key. Think something like "Join our community" or "Get exclusive updates." You can also add a short description explaining the benefits of subscribing. Crucially, we need to connect this form to your email marketing service. Most reputable plugins will have a dedicated integration section. Look for settings related to integrations or email marketing. You'll likely need to input API keys or authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your chosen service. This ensures that every new sign-up automatically gets added to your mailing list. Finally, save your form and locate the shortcode provided. You can then embed this shortcode into any page or post where you want your sign-up form to appear. Place it strategically on your homepage, blog posts, or a dedicated landing page. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to growing a valuable subscriber list and building a stronger audience for your WordPress website.